Hi friend, at the WWDC conference Apple announced the next generation processor M2 upgraded with its MacBook Air. Also they upgraded the 13-inch MacBook Pro which got the same M2 processor and surprise still has touch bar. So, should we upgrade? The first models of M1 MacBooks visually looked the same as the Intel machines was, so if you would like to upgrade from M1 MacBook Pro or M1 MacBook Air, this is your chance to get an upgraded design and get a great screen. The new Air is thinner and lighter than before, also it has 18% faster CPU and 35% faster GPU. Video editing, photo editing, programming, everything will be a bit faster, so if you travel a lot and like to have the lightest machine for programming and as much power as possible, consider upgrading from the M1 MacBook Air. If you are an iOS developer and still are on Intel machine, what are you waiting for? Any M1 or M2 machine will make a big difference in your day-to-day work, so run for the upgrade. But I and most of the programmers can skip this M2 model and wait until Apple will release M2 Pro and M2 Max series processors or whatever will be naming for them. M2 will not be as powerful as M1 Max and M1 Pro, but it will be more powerful than M1, the chip that it is designed to replace. M2 machine supports only one external display, they have only two Thunderbolt ports and don't have HDMI port and SD card reader. Screens in M2 machines are great, but so named Liquid Retina is not even close to the brightness and colors in HDR displays used in 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros. So, of course, I'm skipping M2 and sticking with my M1 Pro 16-inch MacBook. Sure, I would like to get one of them just to do a bunch of tests and compare performance between M2 and M1 Pro, but keeping in mind that I had to wait for almost 3 months for M1 Pro delivery, I will not even try to buy one. I'm pretty sure that Alex will get one of them on day one and will run all the possible tests, so keep an eye on his channel. I will put link in the description, check his channel out. Okay, thank you, see you on next one, bye bye.